Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So in this session also we are going to do one more different problem. I don't say difficult, it's very simple one. One more different problem on based on trigonometric identities. Okay, this also is very simple one. We can solve it, of course. Just look at this problem. See here, secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta is equal to tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. We need to show that these two are equal. Understood? Show that secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta equal to tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. So that means we need to take this one and we need to obtain this one, or else you need to take this one and we need to obtain this one, so that both of them can be equal. Understood? So anyhow, we'll take this one, okay, LHS part, and we need to obtain RHS part, right? Anyways, so here we are taking LHS. What is that LHS part? Secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta, right? Now we need to obtain this one. See here secant power 4 theta is there and here secant square theta is there. Can we take secant square theta from both of the terms? Exactly, we can take common. So take common secant square theta from both of the terms. Now from secant power 4 theta, if we take secant square theta out, then what is left over? Secant square theta or not? Minus secant square theta is taken common, so therefore here 1 is left. From these two terms we took secant square theta in common, so therefore secant square theta minus 1 is left inside the bracket, right? Anyways, now to solve this part inside the bracket, again consider identity. What is that identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, right? Now do one thing, replace this tan square theta to another side and replace this 1 to this side. Then what happens? Secant square theta remains same. Now this plus 1 becomes minus on coming to this side, and on getting to this side minus tan square theta becomes plus tan square theta, right? So this is what our need, right? We need this one. So we also got secant square theta minus 1 inside the bracket. Can we replace this secant square theta minus 1 with the tan square theta or not? Exactly. So here we can replace with the tan square theta. Write down that what happens we see. Secant square theta into this can be written as what? Tan square theta, right? Now we could solve it till this, but my question is that what we need to get the answer? Tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Of course it is not obtained, but one thing you can consider, like all the terms on the RHS part which obtained should be in terms of tan theta, but here one is secant and one is tan. Then again you need to use trigonometric identity to convert all the terms into tan. How to use that? Again you just see here, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Now do one thing, this tan square theta you get this to this side, then what happens? Secant square theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta will become plus tan square theta when you are bringing this to this side. That means plus tan square theta. So therefore secant square theta equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta. Can we replace secant square theta with 1 plus tan square theta or not? Exactly, replace that. So 1 plus tan square theta into tan square theta. Now do one thing, multiply with these terms. I think it's looking somehow nearer to this answer or not? Exactly. Now multiply with every term. Okay, tan square theta into 1. So what happens? Tan square theta. Now plus tan square theta into tan square theta. What happens? Tan to the power of 4 theta or not? Tan power 4 theta. Now tell me, did we obtain the answer or not? The thing is same, tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. That we obtained, tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. So therefore we got the answer RHS, right? So we took LHS and we could obtain RHS by just using secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. That identity is source of solving this problem, right? So here we have shown that this equal to this.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.